Also, let's talk about the crucial role of arteries and veins in the circulation of blood. The journey begins with the heart, the powerhouse of our circulatory system. When the ventricles of the heart contract, they do so with great force, creating the high pressure needed to push blood out of the heart. The left ventricle sends oxygen-rich blood into the aorta, the main artery, which then branches into smaller arteries carrying blood throughout the entire body. At the same time, the right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood into the pulmonary artery, sending it to the lungs where it can pick up fresh oxygen. Now, once blood has delivered oxygen to the body's cells, or has received oxygen from the lungs, it needs to make its way back to the heart. This is where veins come into play. Unlike arteries, veins carry blood at a much lower pressure, and they are equipped with one-way valves that prevent blood from flowing backward. Deoxygenated blood from the body returns to the heart through the vena cava into the right atrium, while oxygenated blood from the lungs flows back via the pulmonary veins. In essence, arteries and veins work together like a carefully coordinated highway system. Arteries drive blood away from the heart under pressure, and veins ensure its smooth return. This constant flow keeps our tissues supplied with oxygen and nutrients and maintains the rhythm of life itself.